South Dakota steps to establish an LLC in South Dakota for a non-resident. Choose a name. Select a unique business name and check its availability using the South Dakota Secretary of State's business name database. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent with a physical address in South Dakota. The agent is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of the LLC. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization with the South Dakota Secretary of State. You can file online or by mail. Pay the required filing fee. Create an operating agreement. Although not mandatory in South Dakota, it's recommended to create an operating agreement outlining the internal operations and management structure of the LLC. Obtain an EIN. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS for tax purposes. This can be done online. Comply with additional requirements. Depending on your business activities, you may need to obtain additional licenses or permits at the state or local level. Benefits of establishing an LLC in South Dakota for a non-resident. Limited liability. Like other states, forming an LLC in South Dakota provides limited liability protection to its members, separating personal and business assets. Pass-through taxation. LLCs are typically taxed as pass-through entities, where profits and losses flow through to the individual members' tax returns. Flexible management. LLCs offer flexibility in management structure, allowing members to manage the business or appoint managers. No residency requirement. South Dakota doesn't have a residency requirement for LLC formation, making it accessible to non-residents. Privacy. South Dakota does not require the disclosure of member information in the public record, providing some level of privacy. Business-friendly environment. South Dakota is known for its business-friendly environment, including no corporate income tax, no personal income tax, and relatively low business costs. It's essential to stay updated with the latest regulations and requirements, as they may change. Consulting with legal and financial professionals can help ensure that forming an LLC in South Dakota aligns with your specific business goals and circumstances.